Safety is a critical part of the everyday work environment at Precast plants. To ensure it remains a top priority, Precast concrete company owners and employees need to stay vigilant at all times and conduct ongoing training. National Precast Concrete Association is committed to providing resources to help precast plants establish a strong safety culture and maintain a safe work environment. This video provides a basic overview of safety considerations in a precast plant. A fall from any height can cause serious injury, so employees must ensure proper techniques and safety measures are used when climbing. Management is required to assess all surfaces, develop and implement a fall protection plan, provide training, and regularly evaluate the program. Before each use, inspect ladders for cracked, broken, or defective parts. Fall protection must be provided for each employee on a walking or working surface with an unprotected side or edge at the height required by the OSHA standard applicable to their work environment. In the precast manufacturing environment, 4 feet is the limit. In the field, it is 6 feet. A straight or extension ladder should be placed 1 foot away from the surface it rests against for every 4 feet of ladder height. Place the base on a firm, solid surface. Always keep at least 3 points of contact with the ladder. Always face the ladder and grip the rungs, not the side rails, and climb 1 rung at a time. Do not climb with tools in hand. Do not lean or overreach. Reposition the ladder closer to the work instead. Whether the walkway is elevated or not, precautions must be taken to ensure it is clear of any hazards that could injure employees. To prevent slips, trips, and falls, it's important to reduce wet or slippery surfaces. Keep work areas clean. Not leave cords or hoses in walkways or across doorways. Avoid creating obstacles in aisles and walkways. Create and maintain proper lighting. And wear proper footwear. A fire can happen suddenly and grow rapidly. While all employees should take proper preventative measures at all times, they should also be trained to handle a fire should one occur. Approved fire extinguishers shall be provided, mounted, located, and identified in such a manner that they are readily accessible to employees. Designated personnel will conduct monthly visual inspections of all fire extinguishers. Monthly inspections should be noted and initialed by the inspector on a rigid weatherproof tag attached to each extinguisher and also on a log located in the plant office. An outside extinguisher firm or competent person will conduct annual maintenance checks on all fire extinguishers. At precast plants, both finished products and materials for manufacturing those products are stored and stacked throughout the plant and yard. Proper techniques are imperative to prevent a dangerous situation. Store products properly with adequate room for lifting equipment and other vehicles. Use a reasonably level and firm surface area with adequate drainage. When lifting and lowering, do not place yourself between the load and a stationary object. If using dunnage, support points should be directly above each other, typically 2 points of contact at quarter points. The stacked height should be limited so the ground and lowest components can support the loads and the stack remains stable. Employees in a precast plant lift items of various weights throughout the day. Proper lifting techniques can prevent a sudden injury and reduce the chance of repetitive motion injuries that could occur over time with improper lifting techniques. Follow these procedures. Spread your feet to shoulder width. Get as close to the object as possible. Flex your knees and bend your legs. Straighten your legs and let the legs do the lifting while keeping your back straight. Don't twist your body with the object. Pivot your feet and then walk in the direction you must travel. Set the object down by getting as close to the final destination as possible, keeping your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees, keep your back straight, and place the object down. Safety in a precast plant requires every employee to be vigilant at all times. Your diligence will ensure not only your safety, but the safety of those you work with.